Gloria, and today I am making a very delicious recipe that I want to share with you. They are scallops in garlic. They come out delicious and very tasty. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have, of course, red chilies, parsley, chicken bouillon, garlic smashed very nicely, asparagus, bacon, and of course, our scallops. I can't wait to start. This recipe comes out so delicious and so tasty. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my asparagus and my scallops. Let's go and rinse them out. First, I'm going to start with my asparagus. We're going to go ahead and rinse every single one, making sure that they are nice and rinsed, just like this. Once you have rinsed them completely, I'm going to go ahead and just put them aside, and I'm going to continue with my scallops. I'm going to rinse them and then just leave them here. I'm going to cut my scallops in 4 pieces each. My stove is on, my pan, I'm going to add it. And the first thing I'm going to add to my pan is my bacon. I'm going to go ahead, distribute the bacon all over, making sure that they are completely covered the pan, just like this. My friends, the bacon is started already cooking. It has released some oil. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my red chilies. I am ready to add my red chilies. I'm going to go ahead and just mix them in until everything is nice and toasted. I want the chilies to be nice and toasted and the bacon nice and crispy. Just like this. Look at this. The bacon is nice and crispy. The chilies are nice and crispy. I'm going to go ahead. I have a plate here with a napkin. I'm going to add it here, and I'm just going to remove everything from here. Just like this. I'm going to take the excessive oil off the pan so I could start adding my asparagus. Okay, I have removed all the oil. I'm going to go ahead, add my asparagus. My asparagus are going to be cooking for about 5 minutes. We want them nice and crisp. To this, I'm going to add just a pinch of the chicken bouillon, so the asparagus start absorbing the chicken bouillon. Okay, remember, they have to cook for at least 5 minutes. They've been cooking for 5 minutes, and now I am ready to plate them. I have a plate here. I'm gonna add all my asparagus. Okay, and now I am just going to add a little bit of the oil of the bacon here, just 1 or 2 tablespoons. And I'm ready to add my scallops. My scallops have been in a napkin, so they are nice and dry. We want to go ahead and sear them just a little bit. We're going to spread them all around of the pan, making sure that they get nice and seared. My friends, we want our scallops to get nice and brown. We want to sear them just a little bit. So I'll see you when that's done. The asparagus are nice and seared. I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic, my smashed garlic, and I'm going to add my chicken bouillon. We're going to go ahead and add it in. and just mix it just a little bit until everything incorporates perfectly. Now this is done. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it right on top of the asparagus, and at that point I'm gonna add my parsley. Look how beautiful this looks. I want to show you from close up how everything looks. This just smells so delicious, and of course I need to add my red chilies right on the sides. I really like spicy food, my friends. And on the top I'm gonna add the crispy bacon. Look at this, the crispy bacon all the way in the top. My mouth is watering. I already want to taste this delicious plate. My friends, I am done with my scallops. Look how delicious they look. I can't wait to taste them. So I'll see you in a little bit. My friends, I am done with the scallops. I've added asparagus, garlic, I mean, you name it. This is so delicious. I have combined mine with a little bit of pasta. You could add angel pasta, fettuccine pasta, whichever pasta you want to add, or just a plain white rice. This just comes out delicious. My home smells delicious, my friend. But you know, this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Oh my God. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. You know something, the scallops have the garlic. Oh my God, so intense. This is just amazing, my friends. Excuse me. Mmm. This came out so delicious and so perfect, my friend. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Why not? Share the video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell. So every time I make a new recipe, my friends, yes, you are notified. I hope, my friends, you could prepare these scallops at home and enjoy this dish like I enjoy here with my family. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my scallops. Bye-bye.